Today I'm gonna be making Oreo balls. The ingredients you will need is chocolate wafer. I have vanilla or the melting chocolate, the dark one. I have two kinds. And of course, Oreos, cream cheese, and I have a rolling pin to kind of crush it, or a mortar to beat it. And then you need one of these melting pot. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna start by having, all my cookies went up. I'm gonna start with 3 cookies. This area I use. Three cookie sleeves. With 1 cream cheese. That's the ratio. We're gonna make just 3. I'm gonna make 3 of them, so I triple it. I'm gonna just crush it really fine. If you don't, some people put it in a food processor or blender. That's fine too. It makes it really smooth, but I wanted the chunky texture. So I'm gonna beat it for a couple minutes here. Give it a good beating. Or you can roll it with a rolling pin. You can look, it's not quite crushed. I'll just do a little bit more of it. Depends on the texture. So I can check, close it back up. Okay, that should be done. Yeah, that looks better. On the bed. Here's the rest. Here's what it looks like. All my crushed up one. Chunky. Now I'm gonna mash in the cream cheese. Oh, made a mess there. It's close. This works better. I'm gonna mush it in my hand and form it into the ball. Let's do it again. That's a lot. How it should look. It's all smushed. Here's what the texture looked like after it's all smushed up. I'm going to form the ball. Depends what size you want. Start rolling. This is I'm gonna melt this in the microwave, maybe for 30 seconds to get a head start for my dipping. So it'll be faster instead of waiting for the machine to heat up. Kind of nuke it first. We're ready to dip. Here's the consistent of it. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Let's try this. I got this thing at the Asian store. I think it's used for a little hot pot. I thought it was kind of neat to dip it instead of the spoon. It was much harder, and I could shake off the excess. So I think I usually do like this, and then I would shake it all off. Shake off the excess. The Oreo balls are kind of drying. Not as wet. I'll microwave this and we'll see if I trying to drizzle or really not really drizzle, probably kind of designed it. It's not too thick. Start painting it on, I guess. Drip it on. Yeah. There you go, it's dripping some. Okay, that's it.